Today, we're going to transform plain text into captivating animations that really pop. Let's start by opening Adobe After Effects and creating a new composition. Customize your composition settings to your liking, choosing your desired resolution and frame rate. Then, click OK. Next, we need some text. Select the text tool from the toolbar and type your desired text into the composition. Adjust the font, size, and color in the character panel to personalize your text. Position the text where you want it to appear. Now, the fun begins. With your text layer selected, let's head over to the Effects and Presets panel, search for and apply the position animation. Once the position effect is applied, go to the beginning of your timeline, click the stopwatch next to the position property, then move the text's keyframes to off-screen or where you want it to appear from. Move the time indicator forward a few seconds on the timeline and change the position of the text to your preferred location. This creates the pop-up animation. Experiment with different effects. Adding a scale effect can make the text grow into view, and applying a rotation effect can cause your text to spin in as well. You can combine multiple effects to create even more dynamic animations. Finally, adjust the keyframes on your timeline. Adjusting the amount of time between each keyframe determines your animation speed, allowing you to make fine-tune adjustments. Play with the timing to make your pop-up text animations look even better. And that's how you create stunning pop-up text animations in After Effects. Now go out there and unleash your creative potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe.